Hi everyone, here's another really fun movement activity, bean dancing. So I'm taking some of the beans that I got in my student kit that was sent home with me, and I'm gonna put them into a plastic container like this. Any container that you use for leftovers or anything like that will work. And then I'm just gonna use them as a musical instrument. You can do this to any song, but the song that I'm going to share with you guys today is the Ants Go Marching. Ready? The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, the little one stops to suck his thumb. And they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching 2 by 2. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 2 by 2. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 2 by 2. The little one stops to tie his shoe. And they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching 3 by 3. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 3 by 3. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 3 by 3. The little one stops to climb a tree. And they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching 4 by 4. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 4 by 4. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 4 by 4. The little one stops and slams the door. And they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching 5 by 5. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 5 by 5. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 5 by 5. The little one stops to take a dive. And they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching 6 by 6. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 6 by 6. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 6 by 6. The little one stops to pick up sticks. And they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching 7 by 7. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 7 by 7. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 7 by 7. The little one stops to count to 11. And they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching 8 by 8. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 8 by 8. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 8 by 8. The little one stops to slam the gate. And they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching 9 by 9. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 9 by 9. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 9 by 9. The little one stops to pick up a dime. And they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching 10 by 10. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 10 by 10. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 10 by 10. The little one stops to say, I hope that was lots of fun for you guys. Remember, you can do it with any song that you like. Stay safe and healthy, and we wish you well.